Fair dedicated to all things train chugged into central Illinois today.
It sure did. Austin Schick joins us with more about the Peoria Train Fair. Austin.
Yeah, Munash, Rebecca, today the River City Model Railroad Club held their biannual train show at Illinois Central College in East Peoria. And hobbyists tell me the event is fun for the whole family. For nearly 3 decades, model railroad buffs make sure to get their boarding pass for the Peoria Train Show.
This show has a 30-year history.
The show features model trains, train antiques, and everything trains.
Not just model trains, but paraphernalia of dinnerware that was used on the passenger trains and articles like that. Railroad hats, shirts. You name it.
River City Model Railroad Club hosts this twice a year to promote an easygoing hobby.
Model railroading is just one of those hobbies that you can work on it at your leisure. You can add to it.
Rick Stevenson hopes the kids that attend carry on the model railroading craze.
One of the reasons we do the train fair is to expose the hobby to the younger kids so they can see what's available and what's possible.
Now, if you missed your departure today, don't worry. The show will make another stop later this year in November.